Hey guys, we received this Sunshine Compressed Air 3.0 multiple or the multi-use electric air dusters for test and try. So this is a multi-purpose air duster for cleaning or dust or hairs or crumbs or scraps for a laptop computer or the replaces the compressed air cans. So let me just unbox this and show you everything. So this one is the black in color and really powerful, the electric air compressor. So as it said, so let's just open this one and see. So these are the accessories that comes or the different attachment that you can use with it. Also comes with a little sample of this gel that you want to use for cleaning up the keyboard on the laptop or something. It can trap the dust. So I will show you that later on. Comes with these brushes and other stuff. So the quality wise looks really nice with this grip, and the top you can also replace these filters that you can just take out one from it and then replace it with the other one. So comes with the air filter as well. And also this attachment are easy to put on. Just put it like this and just take it out and replace with the other one. So this can be used to blow any dust or anything that you want to, and it's let's see like the power first, how powerful it is. With the size, it's around 8.1 inches in height and 7.8 inches in total width, including handle. So I'm just putting in with the air, and you can see I have a built-in light as well, and very powerful air pressure here, as you can see. So this have a inbuilt light, so it's pretty good thing. And you can see like cleaning is pretty easy. Even after cleaning the keyboard, all the other sides from the sides are just blowing it up. And even with the air pressure, my keyboard keys are pressing. So it's a really powerful air duster, I will say. And you can just use a different attachment for the different purpose of use. So built-in light is easy to see through, like you know what's going on and what is there and trapped or not, or it's clean or not. And then you can also use this gel. So this like a stretchy gel that you can see, or just rub it on the top, or just take out everything from here and just use it. So it's pretty good to clean up your dust and everything, and it's pretty nice and very powerful. And this gel is also very nice in cleaning up the stuff, and you can also wash this gel again. So I will say based on the air duster experience is a very powerful air duster and the air pump to blow up the air and is really nice thing to have and is a really nice cleaning set as well.